In this video, we're going to replace the headlight switch on this Ford F-150. There are 3 clips on the headlight switch that we're trying to disengage to pop it forward. The first one we're going to go is here with a long blade flat screwdriver. Right here. Pry up. On the side. Here's one. You also want to be careful of prying against the dashboard. Sometimes a plastic tool is best around the dashboard areas. Pull it forward and undo your clips. Pushing down, pulling out. Set aside the old part, plug in the new part. And simply slide back in until those clips feel a clip in, like so.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.